Ever wondered how people are making money while you scroll? Stick around, I'll show you how. Are you ready to unlock your earning potential? I'm sharing powerful trick to make money that anyone can start today. Imagine having a plan that empowers you to weigh your options clearly and confidently. This secret, nobody is going to tell you. But I'm here to share it from your total income. You need to apply this special rule. 10% for your savings. This is your safety net. 10% for investments. Grow your wealth over time. 10% for emergency funds. Be prepared for the unexpected. 70% for your living expenses. Enjoy your life, but be mindful. This strategy is known as the 70-30th rule, and it's a game changer for your financial health. Start applying it today and watch your financial decisions become clearer and more effective. And here's the deal. If this video gets 100 likes or if I reach 100 new subscribers, I'll drop part 2.